Okay, so let's install Primevue to the project we just created. So I'm on the Primevue website here. I'll click on Get Started and we will go under Installation, and I'm using white. So we can go into white and we can just use the npm command and just run it in the terminal, and that should do it. Okay, so I'm in the Primevue project here in the terminal. So I'm going to add that command in and press enter. And this is going to install all of the components that we're going to be using later on. So let's just wait for it to complete all that. So install 46 packages, and let's have a look at the next step. Okay, so the next step is we need to add in the plugin to the app.js file. So I'll take you to the app.js file. So we will import Primevue from the Primevue config file, and then we can just add it to the application itself. And I'll take you to the code now. Okay, so I'm in the project here. This is VS Code, and I'll go into resources, JS, and we need to open up app.js file. So just like I showed you earlier, so I will import the Primevue from the Primevue config file, and then we can add it here. So I can just use the enter key and use Primevue plugin. So just like that, and that's all we need. And this is going to add Primevue to our project, and we will be able to use it in any page. So next thing I wanted to mention was theming, so that you can you can add Primevue two ways to your project. You can add it styled or unstyled. So I highly recommend you use the styling that they provide, because it's really amazing. But you can use it unstyled. If you want to do that, you can just add the unstyled value to true when you're adding it to app.js file, and that should do it. If you want to use the styling that they provide, you can just copy this command and add it to app.js file. So let's add it to our file now. Okay, so I'm in the app.js file and I've copied the command from the website. I'll paste that in here and save. That's it. That's all we need to do. And now Primevue is ready to go. And in the next episode, we will work with the first component that they have. Thanks so much for watching.